The Lennox E9 error code indicates a water overflow issue within the indoor unit of your mini-split system. Mini-splits generate condensate, which is water produced during the cooling process. As air cools, moisture condenses into water droplets that collect in a pan. This water needs to drain properly through a hose or pump. The E9 error triggers when this drainage is blocked or excessive. It activates a safety switch to prevent water damage. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing this common problem. Several factors can lead to an E9 error. The most frequent cause is a clogged condensate drain line due to dust, mold, or debris. Other culprits include a faulty condensate pump if your system has one, improper installation leading to sagging drain lines, and even unusually high humidity levels that overwhelm the drainage system. We'll explore each of these in detail. The most frequent cause is a clogged condensate drain line due to dust, mold, or debris. Other culprits include a faulty condensate pump if your system has one, improper installation leading to sagging drain lines, and even unusually high humidity levels that overwhelm the drainage system. Begin the diagnosis by visually inspecting the indoor unit for signs of water overflow. Look for dripping water from the bottom or unusual noises that might indicate a drainage problem. Next, check the control panel on the indoor unit or your smartphone app for the specific E9 error code. This confirms the overflow issue and helps narrow down the problem. For safety, completely power off the unit before proceeding with any inspection or repair work. This prevents electrical hazards and allows for proper examination. Examine the condensate drain line for visible blockages, kinks, or obstructions that could prevent proper water flow. Check both the indoor and outdoor portions of the line. If your system has a condensate pump, listen carefully to see if it's running when the unit is powered on. A silent pump may indicate a fault that needs repair or replacement. For advanced diagnosis, use a multimeter to test the float switch if you're comfortable with electrical testing. This can confirm whether the switch is properly detecting water levels. The most common DIY fix for the E9 error involves clearing the condensate drain line. Start by powering off the unit for safety. One effective method is to use a wet-dry vacuum to suck out any obstructions. Attach the vacuum hose to the drain line and gently vacuum out debris. Alternatively, flush the drain line with a mixture of water and white vinegar. The vinegar helps dissolve mold and debris. Prepare a solution of equal parts water and vinegar. Pour the solution into the drain opening and let it flow through the line. This helps clear buildup and restore proper drainage. Ensure the drain line maintains a proper slope of about 1/4 inch per foot to facilitate gravity drainage. A level or sagging line can cause water to pool and trigger the error. After clearing the blockage and confirming proper slope, reset the system. Press and hold the reset button on the control panel or use the app to restart the unit. If clearing the drain line doesn't resolve the E9 error, the condensate pump may be the issue. Check the pump's power supply and connections. If the pump is defective, it will need to be replaced. For complex installations or persistent problems, it's best to call a qualified HVAC technician. Improper repairs can void your warranty. Preventing E9 errors is easier than fixing them. Schedule annual maintenance checks that include filter changes and thorough drain line cleaning. Consider using enzyme-based drain cleaners periodically to prevent buildup. Regularly inspect the outdoor drain outlet for any obstructions, such as bird nests or debris. Proactive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of future E9 errors. Many newer Lennox mini-split systems offer smart home integration. These systems can send alerts to your smartphone if they detect a potential overflow, allowing you to address the issue before it escalates to an E9 error and unit shutdown. Check your system's documentation for compatibility with platforms like Google Nest or Amazon Alexa. The future of HVAC systems includes AI-driven diagnostics that predict overflows based on usage data, potentially eliminating E9 as a common error code. These systems analyze patterns in temperature, humidity, and usage to foresee potential issues before they occur. Lennox and other manufacturers are working on self-healing systems that can automatically correct minor overflows. These systems will detect issues and perform adjustments without human intervention. reducing the need for manual fixes by up to 40%. Eco-friendly trends like the use of biodegradable drain cleaners are also gaining traction. Lennox is testing plant-based additives that safely dissolve clogs without harming the environment, offering sustainable solutions for maintenance. These innovations promise a future where E9 errors are rare and HVAC systems maintain themselves efficiently and sustainably. Stay tuned for these advancements in upcoming Lennox models.